Easy advice for dealing with heartburn. Do you know what acid reflux is? What can cause it? Why do symptoms worsen? What stops it from happening? How do you find the answers you seek? The video below provides an excellent foundation for learning all about acid reflux so you can take steps towards eliminating it. To stop acid reflux disease, increase your intake of vitamin D. This vitamin increases peptide production, which destroys the production of acid in the stomach. Your body gets vitamin D from the sun. If you do not get enough sun exposure, you can always take vitamin D in pill form. Try to avoid drinking anything while you eat. When you drink, your stomach fills up and expands, which can cause distension. This puts pressure on the sphincter at the bottom of the esophagus, sometimes causing food to pass back up through it. When this happens, acid reflux has begun, as will your suffering. When you are done eating a meal, prevent acid reflux by chewing on some gum. More saliva is produced when you chew some gum. The more saliva that is produced during digestion, the less acid is produced, in turn, preventing acid reflux from occurring. Ideally, you should chew on sugar-free gum. Never, ever, ever lie down after you eat. Even if you have only had a few bites, you may find that food comes back to haunt you in short order if you lie down. Eat all meals at least 2 hours before lying down for a nap or overnight to ensure that acid doesn't sneak back up your esophagus. You now understand the ins and outs of acid reflux. You need to analyze your life objectively to figure out your personal triggers before you can hope to successfully counteract them. You can use what you've read to help you solve your problem. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.